Welcome back to BK42. That's the Accolmile Roade E-Bike. The one I received for testing had some annoying noises in the battery compartment. In this video, I'm going to share the easiest steps to eliminate the noise and replace the battery if ever necessary. In the first step, disconnect all the battery cables. I know it looks bad pulling cables like this, but this is how it's done at the factory. In the second step, make sure to protect the display while we flip the bike. Loose the screw and rotate the display. Third, use a 3mm hex wrench to remove the two screws holding the battery in place. And then, carefully remove the battery. With the battery out, tighten the screws that connect the battery to the controller. In step 4, use furniture felt, which can be easily found at any hardware store. I'm using a 3M model. It comes with a stick side. Cut 2 small strips and apply them to the top of the battery. Step 5. Insert the battery back in the battery compartment. Find something to run the wires through. I use a little hope. Connect the cable to the guide head and pull it from the other side. Repeat this process until all cables are back in place. In step 6, it's time to retighten the screws. Now reconnect all cables. Match the colors carefully and follow the connecting arrows. In the last step, flip the display back and tighten the screw. Be sure to turn on the bike and test it. The noise is gone. I hope you found it useful. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please comment, like and subscribe. Cheers!